morning kids, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. Let me introduce myself. I am Reena Tomar. Now kids, let's just revise the pre-number concept wet and dry through a video. Let's watch it.
The wet and dry song.
It's raining, raining, raining. It's wet, wet, wet. My jumper and trousers are wet, and my shoes too. I'm sad. Boo-hoo. It's sunny, sunny, sunny. It's dry, dry, dry. My jumper and trousers are dry, and my shoes too. I'm happy. Hooray!
Kids, did you enjoy the song? Good. Now, yesterday I have given you a worksheet. I hope all of you have completed it. Let's see how it was to be done. Let's see the first picture. In this picture, as you can see that the cat is wet. So, you have to circle the picture with blue color. In the second picture, as you can see that the cat is dry. So, you have to circle the picture with red color. In the next picture, as you can see that the duck is dry. So, you have to circle the picture with red color. In the next picture, as you can see that the duck is wet. So, you have to circle the picture with blue color. In the next picture, as you can see that the fish is wet. So, you have to circle the picture with blue color. In the last picture, as you can see that the rabbit is dry. So, you have to circle the picture with red color. Very good kids. I hope you all have completed your worksheet nicely. Kids, as we all know that coronavirus is spreading all over the world. So, I request you all, please don't go outside. Stay at home. Take care. Bye-bye.